What's up, bro? What color is this? Black cherry. Man, it's fucking bad color. Thank you, man.
I know that he never had a man like that to buy you anything, a heart design like that. Yeah, I don't want your body, I need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it, I buy it. Tell the long road joker, be quiet. Sex on me, Patron on ice. We can find bottles all night, baby, you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like.
They're fucking tripping. Another couple hotel up inside.
Oh, are they? Brand new, it don't matter. See, this car has normal doors. Not all of them has both, like that one. I like that. Here's the an old body GS? Come on, man. This Navigator is about 100,000. Let's go look at the interior. Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, the options inside. That's what's up right there.
How y'all doing?
That's right, man.
Ostrich interior inside.
Hey, this one should take it right here.
Oh, it's Hocham no. That's our big competition today. And this blue Audi. I like this Audi though. I like the wheels.
Z up there in the front. I like the color on it though. I like the rims and the black up there.
That blue one, yeah, that's the best looking car here. That's everybody looking at our car. Let's go sit by it.
Even though she already know the plan. She already know the deal, Even though I'm chubby, yo chick, she love me. She might be with you now, but she still thinking of me. Y'all like them making love, I couldn't make them love me. In the back of the lap, it was just like, damn.